If you want to date an autistic white supremacist, you better know how to cook your meat very homogeneously. You will first grab a lamb rack and slice the ugly shit away. There is a nice delimitation of beauty. You need to make sure it looks Instagrammable to grab the attention of your brain-rotted crush. Make a beautiful cross-section and then remove this piece of cartilage. It's always in the fucking way unchewable. Rip it off and you will then make it more Instagrammable by slicing the meat away around here. I told the butcher I wanted to see the bones, but he thought 3 centimeters was enough. I am deeply sorry for his wife. You will stab the meat in a straight line between the bones to make a nice delimitation for later. You will then cut the membrane on the bones to allow to remove the meat completely. You will then start scraping it off like this in order to reveal the bone and allow yourself to place your finger behind the bone like this. You can then slide your finger down and congratulations, you have freed the bone. Once you have done all the bone, cut through the flesh where you made the incisions and simply detach the flap from the rest of the bone. You will then be left with a beautiful carré d'agneau. It should be able to stand up by itself. Salt it very homogeneously, generously, massage it in a little bit, and some geeks will tell you to not salt the fat. Do not listen to them, you listen to me. Melt some raw butter straight from the cow's titties into the pan and place your meat flat against the surface of the pan. Helicopter your meat around in order to keep the temperature of the butter at the bottom of the pan very homogeneous. Keep going until the fat is golden brown, and you will then use the flap that you cut earlier to put it at the bottom of an oven dish with a little bit of time, and you will then place your carré d'agneau on top of it. This will create a protective layer between the oven dish, which would heat up much faster and cook the meat by induction, just like a pan. But we do not want this, we want very homogeneous slow cooking. After 45 minutes at 120 degrees Celsius, you have this beauty. Look at it. It looks like the meat in Tom and Jerry. Make sure you can slide your knife in the between of the bones, and you can then delicately slice through it and letting the knife do the work. Do not press down, you will break it. You might want to pull the knife towards you like this. Do not mess with the flap of fat above it and keep the structure of the meat. Check this out. It is all perfectly pink everywhere. You can cut another bone and notice even more perfect doneness everywhere. It is so homogeneous. This is only possible because of the low heat. It is very practical when you want your meat to be very homogeneous. Do not rush the process and just cook it at fucking 120 degrees Celsius for a very long time. You might even want to go less hot if you have bigger pieces of meat. It is so pink I see la vie en rose. It is just as pink as the lips of your white supremacist crush.